Hey everyone, it's Kim Angel Dream Crafts, and I'm here with a video response for the lovely Avril, who is Popsies Ribbon and Lace here on YouTube, and I'm sure a lot of you know her, but she's a lovely, talented lady in Ireland, and she's having a challenge right now where you can basically, do what you like. So this is what I made, which is a pocket page book, and because I do enjoy making these. And I'm going to have the link to Avril's challenge video in the description box so you can all go over and join in. So Avril, this is what I've made for you for your challenge. It is a pocket page book, and I'm just going to undo so you can see the outside. It is a napkin that my other friend in Ireland, Siobhan, sent me. So I use that as the base, and it's this lovely sort of buttercream color. And I use that for the base on the outside, and then I've used lots of Lush laces and trims from my favorite place. You know where that is, Craft Supplies for You. So that's what I've done here on the bottom. So there's lots of lovely dangles there. And then I've used this beautiful piece here, which was from Donna Little. And it's like an embroidered applique piece with these beautiful flowers on them, and I just want to have a tiny bit of color but not a lot. And then I've used some gathered laces and some trim here to finish it off, and then I have used this gorgeous image that was gifted to me by my friend Jane Marge, and I put her on the front, and then I made a lovely shabby flower here, and there's a collar piece here and some roses going around, and I don't know if you'll be able to make it out, but there is the tiniest little bow there. Oh, of course I've left my autofocus on, sorry about that, but there's the tiniest little bow there. It's so adorable. And I just thought it would look so cute in her hair. And then she's got a little tiny flower here, and then I've added more of these little tiny flowers around the flower trim here. So it's fun. I love the shabby bow. I used this beautiful tool from KS4U and some eyelash trim and some dyed seam binding. And then on the inside, I have added some goodies for you, but I'm not going to pull them all out because I want you to be a bit surprised anyway. And then here is the inside bottom. You can see the two pockets that I just flipped up the bottom of the napkin. And then this is a different napkin here. And then I've added some appliques and butterflies and doilies, and lots of prettiness on the inside. So after you remove the goodies, if you want to keep them in here or use them, you can then again use the pockets because it's a nice deep book. So I made that for your challenge, and I also made you some flowers. So I hope that you like everything, and that will be on its way to you later in the week. And that's it for right now. Please go over and sub to the lovely Avril, and the description box has the link. So take care, and thanks, Avril, for having such a great and fun challenge. Bye, everybody. I'll be back soon. Bye.